Diverse food and its components. Food in India varies widely across regions based on local agricultural practices, climate, and cultural influences. Food components: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water, and roughage. The choice of food is influenced by the availability of food crops, preferences, culture, and traditions. Culinary practices. Traditional cooking methods use of fresh, local ingredients, time consuming preparation. Modern cooking methods use of processed foods, convenience cooking. Change in food preparation techniques have occurred over time. Role of food in the body. Food provides energy, supports growth, repairs the body, and protects against diseases. Nutrients play specific roles. Carbohydrates and fats, primary source of energy. Proteins, important for body building and repair. Vitamins and minerals, strengthen the body, protect against infections. Water and dietary fiber, aid in digestion, hydration, and overall health. Balanced diet. A balanced diet provides essential nutrients in the right quantities, including adequate roughage and water. Importance for growth, development, and disease prevention. Long term nutrient deficiencies can lead to diseases like scurvy, rickets, etc. Deficiency diseases. Scurvy, caused by a lack of vitamin C. Rickets, caused by a deficiency in vitamin D and calcium. Regular consumption of essential nutrients is key to avoiding such diseases. Junk food. Junk foods are typically high in sugar and fats but low in nutrients like protein, vitamins, and fiber. Frequent consumption can lead to obesity, heart diseases, diabetes, and other health problems. Junk foods are nutritionally inadequate and harmful in the long term. Millets, nutri cereals. Examples: jawar, bajra, ragi, sanwa. Millets are rich in essential nutrients such as iron, calcium, and fiber. They can be easily cultivated in diverse climates and are an important part of the Indian diet. Known as nutri cereals for their nutritional benefits, including supporting bone health and improving digestion. Food miles. The distance food travels from the farm to the consumer's plate. Reducing food miles helps in cutting transportation cost, reducing pollution, and promoting fresher, healthier food. Supports local food production, strengthens local economies, and reduces environmental impact. Avoiding food wastage. Wasting food leads to environmental harm and underutilizes the effort of farmers. We should only take as much food as we can consume to prevent wastage. Careful food planning, storage, and portion control are key to reducing food waste. Sustainable eating habits, emphasizing locally grown and plant based foods for better health and environmental sustainability. Supporting local food systems helps in promoting sustainable agricultural practices and reducing carbon footprints. Conclusion: a holistic approach to diet, balanced nutrition, sustainable food choices, and reducing food waste contribute to health, environmental protection, and food security.